and they're really wondering, is this even possible? I think baby steps is the way to go. And the first step is to work on your own healing, right? To do some therapy, do some mentoring, do some, self-exploration to understand yourself better and to have a good understanding of how you got here today. Because once you have a better understanding of yourself and some effective communication tools that we can all learn to use, and we all have to learn to use because most of us did not come from homes where we were taught really effective communication, then we can start to reach out with, I would say, the person that would be the easiest person to reconnect with, and start with baby steps. And there's a couple things that, the steps that are required in order to rebuild trust is being honest with yourself and being honest in your communication with others, always telling the truth, don't lie, don't avoid conflict, be honest. That's the first thing, right? Always using I statements, talk about yourself and how you feel. Try to help people to understand what's going on for you. And that's a first step. So you're showing them that you've really grown in these areas and you're trying to work on your communication and your understanding of yourself. And that would be a first step.
Thank you for watching this Recovered Life segment. At Recovered Life, we are all about helping you live your best recovered life. So please like this video and share it with someone you know who could really use it. Also, feel free to join our free weekly newsletter at recoveredlife.us and get great information like this sent to your inbox every week.